To monetize your YouTube channel in 2025, you must navigate updated policies, eligibility criteria, and diverse revenue streams. Here's a comprehensive guide based on the latest information. 1. Meet YouTube Partner Program YPP eligibility requirements. To unlock monetization features, your channel must qualify for the YouTube Partner Program under one of two tiers. Full monetization tier, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. This tier grants access to ad revenue sharing, YouTube Premium revenue, and full shopping features. Early access tier, 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, 3,000 watch hours past year, or 3 million shorts views past 90 days. Unlocks fan funding features, super chat, memberships, etc., but excludes ad revenue until reaching the full tier. Additional requirements: reside in a YPP eligible country. Link an **** AdSense account and enable two-factor authentication. 2. Monetization methods. Ad revenue sharing. Long-form videos earn 55% of ad revenue from pre-roll, mid-roll, and display ads. Mid-roll ads require videos is greater than or equal to 8 minutes. Shorts ads appear between shorts in a feed. Creators receive 45% of pooled revenue after YouTube deducts music licensing costs. Enable the Shorts monetization module in YouTube Studio. Fan funding and memberships. Super chat, stickers, thanks, earn tips during live streams or premieres. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks for a monthly fee. Requires 500 subs. Affiliate marketing and shopping. Promote products using YouTube Shopping or affiliate links, for example, Amazon Associates. Tag products directly in videos if eligible. Brand deals and sponsorships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Rates vary based on views, for example, $0.0515 per view. Merchandise and crowdfunding. Sell branded products or use platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter to fund projects. 3. Compliance with policies. Advertiser-friendly guidelines. Avoid content with violence, adult themes, or excessive swearing. Videos violating guidelines receive limited, no ads. Originality. Avoid reused or repetitive content, for example, slideshows, unmodified clips. Channels violating repetitious content or reused content policies risk demonetization. Community guidelines. Strikes or warnings can delay YPP approval. 4. Optimize for success. Niche selection. Focus on high CPM niches, for example, finance, tech. Content strategy. Prioritize consistency, engaging titles, thumbnails, and audience retention. Use tools like TubeBuddy for keyword optimization. Shorts strategy. Shorts views count toward YPP eligibility. Add original commentary to avoid reuse violations.